We need to stop treating AI as a single, all-knowing oracle. The habit of typing every query into one central search box is shattering. Today's AI research platforms have splintered into specialized domains. They are engineered to execute narrow, distinct tasks rather than general conversation. Every professional building a workflow now faces a mandatory trade-off, choosing between broad, creative synthesis or strict, verifiable source rigor. You don't need to subscribe to 10 different top-rated tools on the market. Most researchers only need one or two that match their specific output requirements. Forcing a generalized chatbot to do a specialized research job creates massive workflow friction. You spend more time correcting the AI than using its insights. The core dilemma is matching AI architecture to your goal. On the market strategy path, using an academic tool misses live web trends. On the academic path, broad synthesis tools create hallucinations that ruin your credibility. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which specific tools belong in your personal stack and which ones are wasting your time. Choosing the wrong engine forces you to spend hours manually verifying data, defeating the entire purpose of automating the research. This is a 2x2 quadrant chart mapping the current deep research landscape. The horizontal axis tracks your data source, from broad market context to strict academic evidence. The vertical axis tracks function, from simple retrieval up to structured content generation. In the bottom left quadrant, the verification tier, we have Perplexity AI. Its primary function is conversational querying of the live, real-time web. It delivers concise, immediate answers with inline, clickable citations, making it the primary choice for journalists and fast discovery. However, it is not built for structured generation. It cannot autonomously produce a 15-page deep dive report from a single prompt. Moving to the bottom right, we find the academic tier, Elicit, Consensus, and Scite.ai. These queries strictly within verified scientific databases and peer-reviewed journals. These tools extract evidence and map citation networks, showing you exactly which subsequent studies support or contrast a specific scientific claim. If your job depends on proving exactly where a fact originated, your tools must live on the retrieval half of this matrix. Now we shift to the top left quadrant. These engines focus on structured generation, taking thousands of disparate search points and turning them into coherent, formatted reports. This is the strategic synthesis tier, where platforms like Kimi Deep Research and ChatGPT Deep Research operate. Their input mechanism combines broad open internet querying with your own uploaded background materials, like proprietary PDFs or financial data. They use multi-stage reasoning to autonomously build out long-form reports, complete with structured headers and data visualizations. These tools specialize in drafting initial 1,000-word summaries from scratch. However, they rely on your specific prompting to avoid producing generic corporate filler. These strategic engines require heavy user direction to provide actual value. Without it, the output remains too surface level for professional use. Not every research task requires finding new information. Some are about organizing what you already have. This is the productivity tier, featuring Notion AI and Gemini. As this illustration shows, they connect directly to your existing workspace to turn scattered meeting notes and project plans into formatted briefs. Using these tools means prioritizing the summarization of internal knowledge over the discovery of external, real-time facts. Finally, the perspective tier, including Overchat AI, runs a single prompt through multiple language models at once to surface contrasting viewpoints and edge cases. These tools are designed to format or pressure test your existing thoughts, not to act as an external research assistant. Deep Research Rule 1: match your tool to your output. For scientists, use Consensus and Scite.ai. Avoid Kimi and ChatGPT. Market analysts need Kimi or ChatGPT. Avoid Elicit. Fact-checkers require Perplexity. Avoid Notion AI. Finally, project managers should use Notion AI or Gemini. No single tool on this list can perform all four of these jobs effectively. The architecture that makes a tool perfect for one role ensures it will fail at another. The best deep research AI doesn't replace your critical thinking. It automates retrieval and formatting so you can spend your time actually making decisions.